most powerful organic fertilizer. Every gardener knows that healthy soil is the foundation of thriving plants. Fertilizer is the food that nourishes roots, fuels growth, and encourages blossoms and fruits. But while chemical fertilizers may provide quick results, organic fertilizers are nature's own way of building strength and resilience in plants. Among them, some stand out as incredibly powerful, capable of transforming tired soil into fertile ground bursting with life. One of the most widely respected organic fertilizers is compost. Compost is simply decayed organic matter, made from kitchen scraps, leaves, and garden waste. It is rich in nutrients, but more importantly, it improves soil structure, moisture retention, and microbial activity. Plants grown in compost-enriched soil are not only healthier but also more resistant to disease. What makes compost so powerful is its balance. It slowly releases nutrients, ensuring steady growth without overwhelming the plant. Another organic fertilizer that gardeners consider extremely potent is manure. Cow, horse, chicken, and sheep manure have been used for centuries to enrich soil. When properly aged and composted, manure provides nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in natural forms that plants can easily absorb. Chicken manure, in particular, is one of the richest, offering a high concentration of nutrients. However, fresh manure can burn plants, so it must be composted before use. When applied correctly, manure becomes a powerhouse of organic nutrition. Worm castings, often called black gold, are another remarkable fertilizer. Produced by earthworms, castings contain beneficial microbes, enzymes, and water-soluble nutrients that promote rapid plant growth. Unlike chemical fertilizers, worm castings never burn roots. They improve soil aeration, increase water retention, and enhance the plant's ability to resist pests and diseases. Many gardeners swear by worm castings as the single most effective organic fertilizer. Bone meal and blood meal are also strong contenders. Bone meal, made from ground animal bones, is rich in phosphorus and calcium, both essential for root development and flowering. Blood meal, made from dried animal blood, provides a quick boost of nitrogen, encouraging lush green growth. These fertilizers are especially useful for specific plant needs, such as stimulating flowering in roses or leafy growth in vegetables. Seaweed and kelp fertilizers are another natural treasure. They are packed with trace minerals, growth hormones, and enzymes that enhance overall plant vigor. Seaweed fertilizers do not just feed plants, they stimulate root development and help plants cope with stress, such as drought or frost. Gardeners often use liquid seaweed as a foliar spray to give plants an immediate energy boost. But if we had to ask, which is the single most powerful organic fertilizer? Many would point to worm castings. The reason is simple: they combine nutrients, beneficial organisms, and soil conditioning in one natural package. They are safe, effective, and work on almost every type of plant. Still, the truth is that the best fertilizer often depends on your soil and plants. A vegetable garden may thrive with compost and chicken manure, while flower beds respond wonderfully to bone meal and worm castings. The key is not choosing just one, but blending organic fertilizers in a way that matches your garden's needs. Organic fertilizers are powerful not only because they feed plants but also because they feed the soil. They create living, breathing earth where roots can thrive. And unlike chemical fertilizers that may damage the environment, organic fertilizers build fertility that lasts for years. For gardeners who want abundance without harm, organic fertilizers are not just powerful, they are essential.